Hello guys, welcome back. Today, second part of the video, I'll be showing you how to play Eze by Mercy Chinwo. So I'll be doing it in key of D. So the first chord of the song is, let me just show you the first three chords. Eze Odiro Yede Kagi. First chord, the one chord, left hand D flat, A flat, D flat, right hand A flat, B flat, D flat, F. Next chord, E flat, A flat, E flat, right hand G flat, A, C, E flat. Next chord, left hand F, B flat, D flat, F, right hand A flat, C, D flat, F. So playing everything together, you have something like this. Eze Odiro Yedi Kagi. Now, after these three chords, there's a little run. Or so the right hand is simply playing A flat, F, then you play a grace note with the B flat, so A flat and C, but you add this as a grace note. Or your left hand can play that is A to B flat, like a passing chord. So Eze Odiro Yedi Kagi. Eze. This chord now, E flat, B flat, E flat, right hand G flat, B flat, E flat. Eze Odiro. Okay, Odiro Yedi Kagi. So let me show you that chord. So that is A flat, E flat and A flat. That's the 5, the 2 and the 5. Then the right hand is a normal 5 chord. You can play normal 5 chord, or you can play add the 7th, the flat 7. So you now have something like this: the flat 7, the 2, the 4 and the 5. That is B, E flat, F sharp, A flat. Then now come back to the 1 chord. Now let me play everything together. Eze Odiro Yedi Kagi. Eze Odiro Yedi Kagi. So you now repeat everything. Now the next part of the song is Nelua Neligwe Nalamo Ibu Eze. So from Nelua Neligwe, remember this chord? Our left hand to play F, and F. That is the 3. You can add the 1 to it. Right hand, A flat, C, D flat, F. Now the next chord, left hand, G flat, D flat, G flat. You can bring this G flat down. Then the right hand will play B flat, E flat, G flat, B flat. So Nelua neligwe Nalamu ibu ese, because Nelua neligwe. Okay, so there's a walk down. So after the left hand, just walk down. Right hand, so first chord, C, E flat, add the G flat to it and the A flat. Next chord, F sharp on the left hand, right hand B flat, D flat, E flat and F. Left hand, F, D flat, F. Right hand, A flat, D flat, E flat, F. So Nelua neligwe Nalamu ibu eze. Next chord. So you go to the 6th chord. So it's like a circle of fifths. The 3, 6. Next chord is supposed to be a 2, 5 and 1. So Nelua neligwe. That's Nelua 3, 6. Then you walk down. That's the 3. We are back to the 3. Now we are going to the 6 again. Now the next chord is Eze. Or use this. Okay. Remember this chord. Or Eze. Or the. Remember this chord. So that is it. It's just repeat itself like that until the end of the song. So thank you for watching. Drop your comments, click the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more tutorials. God bless you. Thank you very much.